Hey guys, once again it's your boy back with another video. So today we are analyzing volatility 75. So I'll show you how to analyze volatility 75 with support and a resistance, or how to trade volatility 75 with support and resistance. So it's pretty easy guys, there's nothing like crazy about it and stuff. As you can see, the structure is very interesting to trade. So I'll start from here guys. So as you can see here, I've like set it on like the previous video. So here we have a clear pattern. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw it for you, or highlight it for you. So as you can see here, we have a M. It doesn't matter if it's straight or what, mind you, this is price guys, so it's not like we are like it's like a logo or something. So as you can see, we created the M, price came back, retested our neckline, then it continued pushing down. What did you get again? We got another M, or a double top. Then price came back and we got a triple bottom. Then price pushed up, it didn't come back for the neckline exactly, so it continued pushing up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight here. So we have a lower high. So we have a lower high here, lower high, then we have another lower high, then we have a higher high there, we have a higher high, then we have a lower low, then we have a lower high here. So it's higher low, it's higher low, then higher high, lower high, lower low. So this is how the market was moving. Lower low again, then lower high, then price came back again, retested that same lower high. So yeah guys, this is how the market is moving. So I'm just gonna erase this and draw like the actual thing. So let me just drag this down. Okay, and we'll try to remove everything. So yeah, this is how the market was moving. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw our neckline. As you can see, that way the price pushed, retested, right? Okay, this is our support, resistance. We tend to be resistant. We had a new support area here, then it was also retested many times. We retested it 3 times, which pretty showed that this zone was strong, or sellers were strong. Then the price continued to push down. It's like there's nothing hard here. So some of you be like, why is he not putting his support areas as well? I would put them, but for like take profit, mind you, this is daily time frame, so like I wouldn't put everything here. I would just put important stuff or important things to for those the current structure is all that. So what we have here again, we have a new resistance level which is also been respected. So let me go ahead and remove this. So now we're in a current structure. So this is the current structure. Then we have our support there. It's pretty simple guys. So how is the market moving? So far so good. The market is bearish, as you can see. It's like bearish. So how do you see bearish market? So we have a higher high, then a lower low, then a lower high, and a lower low, lower high again, and it's now creating a new lower low. That's how you normally spot, or that's how you see if the structure is trending down on the upside. So what to expect here? Here I'm expecting for a breakout price is gonna continue pushing down for some time. I think maybe until like next year January, then it's gonna, from there it's gonna start pushing up. So let's move to smaller time frames. So what else I'm seeing here, there is a lot, guys, there's a lot. As you can see, price pushed down, pushed up, broke. Okay, we had like a what you call there, we have our support, which tend to be resistance. We had another support, which tend to be resistance. So it was like we had like entry points, nice entry points, guys. Okay, we have another a resistance there. It's just a clear zone, guys, so that's why I highlighted it. So if you look at your left and your right, you can see it's just a clear retest. So there is nothing actually behind it, nothing much behind it. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. So I'm just gonna show you on 4-hour time frame how it looks. So as you can see here, on that resistance, price respected it. So I'm just gonna highlight with a shape or a rectangle shape. So we had resistance area here, which was respected nicely. What do we have again? We have another one here. So here it was a rejection on daily time frame. So on smaller time frame, probably this is how it looks. So it looks like a fake out, or it looks like the market faked out and stuff. But when you look closely here, we have like some rejections on the upper side. So this is the reason why you also have to like switch to smaller time frames to see if maybe there are any entry opportunities, right? Excuse me. Then let's delete that zone. These zones are here to show us where the market rejected in the previous area or previous structures. So we have another support area that was tend to be resistance. So as you can see, price broke, came back, retested, then now it's now creating a new lower low. Then yeah, so let's move to daily hourly time frame. Mind you, that was H4. It's easy, guys, it's easy. I have like a lot of strategies here when it comes to trading this pair. Let me fix that. I don't know, it keeps on like, yeah. So when it comes to trading volatility 75, I have like, okay, I use this strategy combining it with price. It's called quotas theory. So for that, I'll have to do a Zoom meeting. So if you are interested into learning how to trade volatility 75 with quotas theory, you can just leave a comment below, then or you can join my Zoom or my Telegram. Sorry, you can join my Telegram group. Then from there, I'll be able to help you to like do a Zoom call or a Zoom meeting with you and stuff. So as you can see here, we have or we had an M, guys. Like, it's very easy trading this thing. So we had the M. So I don't know if I should highlight it, but let me highlight it for you. So we have this M here, and price broke, retested the neckline, then pushed back or pushed down, right? Mind you, this time frame is for entries. I use it for entries. So it's this time frame and 15 minutes. So that's where I end. Yeah, for scalping, yeah, I normally use it a lot for scalping and stuff. So we have another small support area below, which was also rejected and price pushed down. I think it will be clear when you're moving to smaller time frames, like 15-minute time frame. As you can see, price came back here, retested nicely. So this is where I would enter immediately, guys, because price or this candlestick close below our resistance level. then the new candlestick opened the rejected a bit, then pushed down. As you can see, the price, it's like already late here for this trade. It's like already late because it's now approaching for take profit. So this is how I would trade this pair. So I would put my stop loss there, take profit. As you can see, the price is already on take profit. So my stop loss will be a little bit above from the from where price rejected, and place my take profit here at like the previous low, which is this one here. So as you can see, price is already pushed down there and retested. So that's the entry for here. So I think when you also looking there above where it retested or rejected, where the market rejected, you'll be asking yourself, okay, where to put your entry. It's easy, guys. Whenever I see this kind of pattern forming, so this is like a bearish engulfing, if I'm not lying. No, it's a bearish engulfing pattern. So it's easy, guys. So it's a small candlestick and a bigger candlestick. So this small candlestick represents what what you call a loss of momentum. Then this big one represents strong momentum on the downside. This one is weak momentum on the upside, then this one on the downside. So I'll just go ahead and place my trade there on the next candlestick immediately when like the price is already moved to you know what you call on the next candlestick. Immediately when it opens, I'll just enter there because I already have clear or a nice pattern. So that would be my first entry. Second entry, I wouldn't enter there because the market is consolidating, or maybe I would enter on bigger time frames and hold two trades. So it would depend, guys. It would depend on how I'm seeing the market on that time, guys. Mind you, there's no rewind and the thing of pause, rewind and all that. Yeah, here the market is, I would maybe hold or move my stop loss to break even, then yeah, look for another trade or another for another trade, or to scale in another trade, so to add some more trades. So yeah, also when I'm looking for buy entries, I use the very same thing, combining it with Fibonacci, but although I don't use it like every time, it goes with structures, so I don't just use it on every on every setup. So it goes with the structure that I'll be dealing with on that time. So yeah, as you can see here, we have a bearish flag pushed up, then actually we even like went for TP, then price came back, pushed down. So it is easy like that. Okay, let's move to bigger time frames like H1. So yeah, guys, this is how I trade volatility when I'm trading support and resistance. This is how I trade it. It is easy as like that. There's nothing else. Or with quotas theory, so yeah, I also use quotas theory. So as you can see, we have like nice what you call, we have nice like pretty nice entry points. You can see from here, first one, and where is this thing, second one from here to that area. So if we are swinging this trade to be like, yo, it will be fun. I won't lie to some of you, it will be fun, guys, because this is how you normally trade. So from here, maybe you'd say, it's just that it differs, guys. It differs some of the time. Most of the time it differs with the structure that you are looking at, especially if you like normally use bigger time frames. Maybe if this was your entry, you'd wait for to see if price is not breaking this new resistance. So if it's showing that it's retesting, then you'd add another entry. So there's like, you can trade, there are a lot of ways of trading in terms of like holding, especially like, you know, swing trades and all that, and kind of place your stop loss at break even, sorry, at least above, then move your SL, your stop loss from the previous trade to the current stop loss, right? Then from there you'll have to wait again to see if the market is pushing up or doing whatsoever. As you can see here, it was price pushed down, but it was like struggling, so that's why I would have like taken the second trade. So from here, then you move your stop loss to that area, sorry, a little bit below, so you trade your stop loss from the first trade to here, then second trade to here when you're in profit, just to secure profit and stuff, then wait for the price to fall down. So there is another entry. So it's like simple trading this pair when it's not consolidating, or when the structure is just moving in the right direction, in impulse movements as well. So yeah, guys, this is how I trade support and resistance on 430.75. I hope it helps. If you don't have an account, then you can click the link there on my channel. There is a direct link, then you create a demo account, and from demo account you upgrade to live, then from there you'll be able to fund and stuff, so you can verify and stuff. But there is actually no need to verify your account unless if you're gonna put or withdraw big amounts like $1,000 upward. That's when they'll need your verification. But if you are withdrawing like small amounts, you just have to create an account, start trading from there. As long as your withdrawal doesn't exceed 1,000 US dollars, you're fine. You'll be able to withdraw without being verified. So it happens for a short period. So when you're seeing that you're making more money and stuff, then you'll have to verify your account. You have to put proof of identity, then proof of address as well, and make sure that you use the same address that you is in your proof of address, whether it's your bank statement or whatsoever. So yeah, so guys, yeah, this is how I trade. I hope it helps you and stuff. This is how I look for entries. As you can see here as well, the market has been pushing down, then broke the trend line, retested it, then pushed up. So okay, I'll just here, there are a lot of things that I would do here. I'll just maybe put that price there. Okay, then mind you, this is like for scalping, guys, so I'm not looking for trades that are like for long and stuff. So as you can see, and put your stop loss here. So you can see stop loss 5 bit, and for scalping this is a good trade. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Hope this helps. Yeah.